Hey, welcome back today, folks. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to upgrade your Pazer 4 to a PrecisionCore 4. All right, to begin with, we're going to start by removing the existing Pazer 4. To do that, you're going to need a 7/8 and an 1 1/8 wrench. As shown here, we're going to use a two-handed approach and break free the connection of the cutting head to the adapter. All right, next let's go ahead and remove the abrasive inlet line and then grab a 5mm hex key and begin to remove the cutting head from the clamp as shown here. All right, once the clamp has been removed, we can go ahead and set that down on our work surface and then hold on to the cutting head and begin to unthread the mixing chamber from the adapter. All right, next let's grab the box that the PrecisionCore 4 comes in, and as shown here, you've got the PrecisionCore 4. You've also got the rubber boot that we'll talk about here in a minute, and then also it comes with two orifices. The red is going to be the ruby, and the blue is going to be the diamond orifice, which is the one we're going to install today. All right, the PrecisionCore 4 does come with a removable diamond. It's one of its benefits. So one of the things that we're going to do to make installation and removal of the diamond easier is to apply a thin film of blue goop on the flat side or the bottom side of the diamond orifice, as shown here. Okay, so now we're ready to install the diamond into the cutting head. We're going to take the top side as shown here and make sure that that diamond is looking up at us in the cutting head. You can see the orientation here. Alright, so grab a little bit of blue goop and we're going to place that blue goop on the bottom of the adapter, which is going to engage on the top side of the diamond, again helping make sure that we get easy removal of the diamond should we need to take it out. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the 4 assembly with the diamond in it and re-thread it onto the adapter of your existing on-off valve. Alright, we're going to go ahead and grab those two wrenches that we set aside from before and go ahead and use the two-hand technique and tighten down the 4 to the adapter and valve body there. Alright, let's grab the clamps and the hex screws and begin to reassemble the clamp, which then holds the cutting head. Alright, we're almost done here. We can go ahead and reinstall the abrasive inlet line. You may have to cut off a little bit as it may be flared or a little bit damaged from your previous setup. But go ahead and make sure this one is an internal fit. There is an internal O-ring in the cutting head to ensure maximum vacuum to the cutting head. Alright, on the PrecisionCore 4 option shown here, this one comes with the Hennco nozzle nut protective nut. You're going to see it's actually a two-piece nozzle nut. There is a carbide nut which provides protection, and then there's your standard nut that houses the collet. Alright, we're going to go and remove that collet from the nozzle nut and slide it up over your 281 nozzle, noticing that this nozzle does not require the locating ring. Alright, go ahead and put the nozzle with the collet back into the nozzle nut. You're going to push that nozzle up as far as you can with the collet securely tight, and then go ahead and hand tight the nozzle nut as tight as you can to the assembly. Alright, let's take a look at the protective carbide nut. As shown here, you can actually unthread that without affecting the cutting head or the nozzle assembly. It's just a carbide piece, carbide washer, separate piece that protects your cutting head during the piercing cycle and also houses our rubber boot that'll help with spray back as you're piercing and cutting. Hey folks, congratulations, you have successfully installed the PrecisionCore 4 to your Flow XD or dynamic system. As you can see here, we're cutting without the guard just to kind of show you what the stream looks like, but it is recommended to run the guard as it does provide a nice protection to the cutting head, ensuring that it'll last a while. Thank you very much for watching the video and for hopefully your purchase of the PrecisionCore 4. We look forward to working with you. Thanks and have a good day.